This is the Frisco Adventure Park Snow Tubing Hill. So after you go through the training in the yurt, you grab your tubes and you start pulling them up to this escalator that's over here. It takes you up the hill.
It's going kind of fast.
All right, it is going kind of fast, right?
Yeah.
So now we're on the escalator. So we're going all the way up to the top. It's really nice because you don't have to walk up the hill. So, and it's a big hill too. We're gonna go so fast, and they have these little ramps so that you slide up the ramp to stop. You don't just keep going all the way to the building. So we paid for access, and they give you these little tags that you put on your clothing that shows you that you're during your active time frame. And it is a really cool view, as you can see, beautiful. And this is just really nice. I'm excited. We have a 7-year-old and then a 10-year-old with us, so it's gonna be a good family fun trip. Say it again.
I'm almost 11.
She says she's almost 11. Yeah. Okay, almost to the top. Very excited. This is such a big hill. It takes about a good minute or two to get up this thing. But holy cow, look at that view. Okay, we're at the top of the escalator. You have a little bit of a walk. And it looks like there are 4 different chutes you can go down. And there's some attendants that'll help you get situated. And you can go down in groups of 2 or 4. So we're gonna do our first run all together.
Yeah, it's recording.
Ready? Here we go. Watch your fingers on the limbs, okay?
Okay. Woo, woo, woo!
It was very fun. You go quick, as you could see. Okay, that was super cool. It is... All right, so we're timing that it takes about 10 minutes a lap. You have a 1-hour time limit for your access, so we're hoping we can get at least 6 laps done. We have a couple little kids though, so we might be going a little bit slower than you may. I could imagine possibly doing it in about 6 minutes, so maybe you could get 10 laps in an hour. But it's super fun. I definitely would recommend 2 hours. I wish we did. It's all reservation based, so we only had access to 1 hour, and we figured, oh, it'd be good enough for the first try. Not sure how the kids will like it, but they love it, as you could see. So here we go, round 2. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go!
Woo! Whoa! We're turning! Whoa! We're going for the jump! Woo! Going up and going down.
That was fun!
You can't reach. All right, here we go.
Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! We got some air. We're going all the way up. All right, kids, how was it?